Good morning, everyone. I am Kimberly Redilla, 27 years old, married, and I am currently connected to Laginan Integrated School, East Malungon District, Sarangani Division. So my report is about the types of strategies in strategic management. In strategic management, there are three types of strategies: the competitive strategy, business strategy, and the operating strategy. But before we discuss about the three strategies one by one, let's first define the word strategic management. So strategic management is a process of setting goals, procedures, and objectives in order to make a company or an organization more competitive. Ang strategic management, mao ni siya ang process sa ato ang pag-set og goals, sa ato ang pagbuhat sa og objectives ug sa ato ang procedures in order para sa ato ang company or organization para mas competitive pa. So, ngano importante man ang strategic management? Is it important because it provides overall direction by developing plans and policies designed to achieve objectives and the allocating resources to implement the plan. So let's proceed to the first type of the strategic management. So the competitive strategy. It refers to a strategy that incorporates the external situations cloud. The competitive strategy tries to achieve a competitive advantage over competitors in marketplace. So ang competitive strategy, mo ni siya ang strategy in which nagaplano ang mga kataas-taasan o ang mga head sa usa ka kumpanya kung upang ang ilahang tumong mao ang kinahanglan ang ilahang kumpanya na ay ikalamang sa ibang mga competitors. Naa sila ikalamang sa ibang mga kumpanya na pareho sa ilaha. Ay mauni siyang ginatawag nga si competitive strategy, long-term plan of a particular company in order to gain competitive advantages over its competitor in the industry. Buot pasabot long-term plan siya nga ang ilahang tumong mao ang kanang murag para naa sila ika-compete, naa sila ikalamang sa ilahang kumpanya na ikalamang sa ibang kumpanya. Maunang sa ilang kumpanya nagahimo sila aning competitive strategy. So usabon ako long-term plan siya kaysa ilahang kumpanya gusto or ilahang aim is sa ilang kumpanya naa sila ikalamang sa iban nila nga competitors, especially sa ilang marketplace. So according to Thompson and Strickland, the competitive strategy consists of business approaches and initiatives. So it undertakes a company to attract clients and deliver superior values to them through fulfilling their looking forward as well as to strengthen its market position. So this definition emphasizes the tactics, tactics, it is the strategy or the action and ingenuities, which is kaning cleverness of the directors in outlining the strategy. So competitive strategy naa siya several examples based on the four parameters. So four parameters which are the cost leadership, differentiation, cost focus, and differentiation focus. So, tagaan ta mo og example para mas masabtan ninyo. So, cost leadership. Halimbawa sa cost leadership, si smartphones, ang mga smartphones, kung asa nagahatag og mga kalidad ug maayo nga produkto si smartphones nga mas barato or barato siya kumpara sa iban nga brand sa mga Samsung nga mas mahal. Kung i-compare nimo pareho ra sila og kaning kalidad ni smartphones. So differentiation. Sa differentiation miingon ta og unsa ang kalahian sa company sa iban nga company. So halimbawa differentiation ni BMW company. Si BMW nga company mo ni siya ang kanang company sa mga car, sa mga sakyanan. So si BMW unsa iyang kalahian sa iban nga mga car companies. Si BMW naga-offer siya og mga sakyanan which is kaning technological advance or mas kuan ba mas advanced siya in terms sa technology. Tapos si BMW naga-offer pud siya og kaning personalized services which is wala sa iban nga sakyanan. So dirita sa cost focus. Pareho sa for example nato ang relo na kanang Sonata nga ang focus sa relo na Sonata kaning makarelo ang mga tao. So iyahang gipa ay ang relo na Sonata kanang barato siya, mubo iyang presyo kumpara sa iban nga relo. Kumpara sa halimbawa sa Rolex, mas mahal ang Rolex. Kung tan-awon pud nimo mas pareho ra sila og kaning dagway, pareho ra sila og kaning content ni Sonata. So differentiation focus derita sa differentiation. Unsa ang kalahian parehas sa Titan watch. Ang Titan watch nganong lahi siya sa iban nga watch kay nga naman si Titan watch barato siya tapos kaning ang tan-aw na to ang ilahang relo sa Titan watch naapod silay ang kasabay sa ilang relo naa silay bracelet kanang mura pagsuot nimo sa ilang relo dala na pud siya bracelet murag kuan siya ba murag package siya. So next is the business strategy. Business strategy is a list of the steps and decisions that a corporation intends to take in order to achieve its goals and objectives. So a business plan outline what the company must do to achieve each objective and it can aid in the recruiting and resource allocation. So business strategy is an outline of action and decision a company plans to take to reach a goals and objectives. Meaning, ang business strategy mao ni siya ang plano o ang action or plano sa usa ka kumpanya nga buhaton aron makabot or maabot nila ang ilang objectives o ang katuyuan. Naga-define ni siya kung unsa ang kinahanglan buhaton sa kumpanya aron maabot ang katuyuan. Maupod ni siya ang tawag sa nga strategy nga ginahimo sa kumpanya kung halimbawa mag-hiring sila or mag-hiring sila og empleyado og ingon man sa ilahang resource allocation decisions. Mao ni siya ang strategy pud nga ilang ginabuhat. So the business strategy's main focus is product development, innovation, integration, market development, diversification, and the like. So ang business strategy, ang iyang main focus ay paglambo sa ilang mga produkto o kabag-uhan, pag-uswag sa ilahang market or diversification or nagkalain-lain nga mga produkto nga naa sa ilahang kanang kumpanya. So according to M.A. Manan, the business strategy consists of plan of action adapted to use the company's resources and distinctive competencies to gain competitive advantages in the market. So according kay Manan, ang business strategy daw nag-consist siya og plan of action, meaning to say dili lang plano kay nahanglan buhaton pod. Yeah, it is adapted to use the company's resources. Kinahanglan sa naay resources pud na makuha sa company. So kay para maka-gain og competitive advantages in the market. So there are 6 components of business strategy: vision and business objectives. So a business strategy is intended to help you reach your business objectives. With a vision for the direction of the business, you can create a clear instruction in the business strategy for what needs to be done and who is the responsible for completing each step. So kinahanglan sa business strategy or sa imong kumpanya dapat naa kay strategy nga kabalo ka mo tan-aw, kabalo or naa kay vision kabalo ka mo tan-aw sa unahan. Kanang dapat mo set ka ay kay aron makaset ka og clear nga instruction para sa imong business strategy. Tapos para kabalupod ka og kinsa to ang mga tao nga responsible para sa imuhang business. So core values. A business strategy guides top-level executives as well as the departments about what should and should not be done. According to organization's values, core values, so kinahanglan po sa imong organization or sa imong company na adjud kay core values. It helps everyone to stay on the same page with the same goals. So, SWOT analysis. SWOT stands for the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So, this analysis is included in every business strategy. So, it allows the company to rely upon the strength and use them as an advantage. So kinahanglan pod naatay SWOT analysis sa atoang pag-build og ay sa atoang kumpanya para makabalo ta og unsa ang strength nga atoang kinahanglan kuhaan og advantage sa atoang kumpanya ug unsa pod ang atoang weaknesses, which is kung asa ta mo para ma-aware ta sa atoang sa weaknesses ug sa threats sa atoang kumpanya. Mao po na siya ang components sa atong business strategy sa tactics. So many business strategies articulate the operational details for how the work should be done in order to maximize efficiency. So people who are responsible for tactics understand what needs to be done, saving time and effort. So kinahanglan sa ato ang company na apoy mga taon nga responsible sa tactics. So resource allocation plan. A business strategy includes where you find the required resources to complete the plan. So kinahanglan sa isa ka business dapat naa kay strategy kung asa nimo kuhaon or asa ka or unsa dapat ang mga required na resources para complete ang imuhang plano. So how the resources will be allocated and who is responsible for doing so. In this regard, you will be able to see where you need to add more resources in order to complete your projects. So measurement. The business strategy also includes a way to track the company's output. So evaluating how it is performing in relation to the targets that were set prior to launching the strategy. Kinahanglan po na akay measurement kung tapos i-evaluate nimo ang imuhang company, ang output sa imuhang company. Tapos because this help you to stay track with deadlines and goals as well as budgetary concern para maset nimo ang imuhang especially sa budgetary concerns nimo ug sa imuhang goals sa company. So next is operation strategy. Operation strategy is a guiding principle used to plan, analyze, and execute a company's operation. So businesses use operation strategies to identify and implement cost-effective processes for creating and distributing products and services. So operations resources include a wide variety of company resources like equipment, people, facilities, vendors, and technology. So operations managers oversee the scope of a company's operation resources and monitor how those resources facilitate products and or services. So an example of an operation strategy is a furniture retailer deciding to change its manufacturing strategy by outsourcing production to an automated facility. By using a new technological resources, this hypothetical furniture company can manage its supply chain better and create products tasks faster to improve its competitive position. So there are 5 key elements of an operation strategy. So production system. An organization's production system determines the short-term and long-term planning for how resources are turned into marketable products and services. So a comprehensive production system includes a clear workflows, quality control benchmarks, and supply chain management strategies. So sa isa ka company, ay kinahanglan jud nga na ay production system para matest kung ang ilahang services o ilahang products is marketable ba. So facilities, a company's operational capabilities are influenced by a size and number of production facilities. To function properly, specific facilities require achievable production goals, clear safety procedures, and inventory management system. Sa isa pud ka company kinahanglan ay facilities or na ay facilities nga nag-function or naa sila specific facilities nga achievable sa production goals. So next is product or service. One of the most important element of any operation strategy is the quality management of the product. So meaning sa kinahanglan sa isa ka company, kinahanglan ang ilang product is kalidad and ang ilang pong services is kalidad pod. Businesses analyze the life cycle of their products and services in order to predict market trends, adjust their products or service, and allocate resources to new service development and product development. Technology. Operation strategy increasingly depends on new technology development like machine learning, production line, automation, real-time matrix, and market forecasting tools. So sa kinahanglan po sa isa ka kumpanya, kinahanglan kana inline sila sa new technology and nagdepend sila sa technological development. So resources. A comprehensive overall strategy for operations takes into account the total operation resources available to an organization, including locational, mechanical, and human resources. So kinahanglan po sa isa ka company na apod sila strategy kung diin kinahanglan nila i-account ang total operation resources nga available sa organization. So thank you very much. So here are my references. Thank you very much for listening. God bless everyone.